This is the world's best device for clumsy people. It's a cup that tightens.
It will blow your mind when I say you how much this video made. And I'm gonna show you exactly how he made it, so stick up to the end. And for this, you don't have to hold inventory, show your face, no followers, no capital to start up, and it's very simple to set up. So this exact video had this much views. So all that he does is sending people to this site to buy a product for this amount of money, and he gets this amount of commission. And let's say only 1% of people bought that product. That is still this much of people. Multiplies with this equals this. And y'all, literally anyone can do this. Just go to this site and sign up for free. And now you can get your own unique link you can send people to. So this is called affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn exactly how to do it, follow me and check out my free ebook.